Hey everybody, it's Cece here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create the Josephine knot. So the Josephine knot is a really beautiful knot, and one of the things I also like about it is that you can start it at any point in your piece and all you need is 2 strings to create it. So I'll show you now how it's done. What we have here is the 2 cords that I'm going to use. We've got one blue and one pink to make it easier for you to see what's going on. So we start with our blue cord, and we're going to take this cord and we're going to loop it underneath itself, as you can see here. Then we're going to take the other cord, the pink cord, and we're going to lay that over the top of the loop like so. Now's the tricky part, so stay with me on this one. You're going to take the end of your pink cord and you're going to put it underneath the end of the blue cord, take it over the top of the blue cord, then put it underneath the looped blue cord there, then put it over the top of the pink cord, and then underneath the loop in the blue cord. Now we're just going to pull tightly on those, and that's your Josephine knot. The thing with the Josephine knot is I find it's really easy to do if you have a picture with you while you do it, and that can guide you through the over, under steps. I do have a guide online that you can download for free which includes the Josephine knot, and that has an image in it that you can follow along to help you make the knot correctly. You can also create the same knot using more cords on either side, which will create a thicker Josephine knot, so I'll show you that technique now as well. So now we have 2 blue cords and 2 pink cords, and we're going to use these cords as though they are one cord for the knot. So we're going to take both the blue cords and we're going to loop them underneath themselves, like so. Then we're going to take both the pink cords and put them over the top of the loop. Then we're going to make the Josephine knot as last shown, but this time with both cords we're going to go under, over, under, over and under, and then we're just going to pull and you'll have your finished knot like this. So there's the Josephine knot, guys. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Remember to subscribe and also hit that notification bell to stay up to date with my latest videos. Here's to finding peace in our creativity.